Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and if you're craving a stack of fluffy pancakes that taste just like IHOP, then this is the recipe for you. With just a few ingredients, you can whip up this delicious breakfast on a busy weekday or a weekend brunch. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 beaten egg, 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Start by whisking together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a medium mixing bowl. Set aside. In a separate bowl, mix together the beaten egg and buttermilk. Then add the melted butter, vanilla extract, and sugar. Add the buttermilk mixture to the flour mixture and stir until smooth. Heat a griddle or frying pan to medium-high heat and spread with butter or cooking spray. Use a measuring cup or cookie scoop to drop 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot griddle for each pancake, and cook until little bubbles begin to pop in the batter and the pancakes are brown on one side and around the edges. Then use a spatula to flip the pancakes and cook the other side. Keep your pancakes warm in an oven set to 200 degrees and then serve a stack with your favorite toppings like butter and syrup. I hope you love these just like IHOP pancakes as much as we do. The full recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.